Hi, I'm Brandon Staglin, president of OneMind. I'm accepting the hashtag Not Alone challenge from the Inspiring Children Foundation to remind everyone that they're not alone during the holidays and to help people get access to mental health resources. This means a lot to me personally because I've lived through 32 years of schizophrenia and some extraordinarily dark times. And I believe that as I've had the good fortune to have, everyone should have access to proven and effective mental health resources. If you're watching this, please don't feel that you need to struggle in silence. To make sure everyone has effective resources, I'm offering an auction lot, VIP access to Napa's premier wine tasting, live concert, and private dinner mental health music event, the One Mind Music Festival for Brain Health. Join me and challenge two friends to participate. Make your own video or post a photo of support, tagging them to do the same. Today, I nominate the Kennedy Forum and the Do It for the Love Foundation. To access our mental health fitness guide for the holidays and bid on auction items, please go to notalonechallenge.org. Thank you.